For nearly half a century, if you were a multi-millionaire collector with a direct line to Zuffenhausen and a dream of owning a factory-sanctioned one-of-one Porsche, you had to settle on one specific shape. It had to be a two-door sports car, almost always a 911 or perhaps an ultra-exclusive homologation special. If you wanted a totally bespoke body modification, a custom-engineered drivetrain revision, or a completely tailored cabin on a 911 slant nose or a 993 Speedster, Porsche's elite customization wing would happily oblige your desires, provided your pockets were deep enough. But what happened if you didn't want a low-slung weekend track toy? What if you wanted that absolute museum-grade exclusivity applied to something you could actually drive to the office, haul your family in, or take a 500-mile cross-country road trip? What if you wanted a one-of-one Porsche Cayenne SUV or a Panamera sports saloon? For years, the answer from the factory was simple. You could choose a unique exterior color from the paint to sample catalog, pick custom stitching colors, or add some specialized carbon fiber trim. But a true ground-up, one-off build with unique bodywork or re-engineered mechanical components on a four-door chassis, that door was firmly closed. Until now. Porsche has quietly shattered one of its longest-standing traditions. The manufacturer has confirmed that their legendary Sonderwunsch division, literally translating to special wish, is actively building and accepting orders for true factory one-off four-door vehicles. That means the Cayenne, the Panamera, and even the Macan are officially on the table for full-scale OEM coach building. This isn't just about paint and options lists anymore. This is the beginning of a whole new era of factory-backed automotive customization. To understand why this expansion into four-door platforms is such a monumental deal in the automotive world, we first have to take a quick step back and look at what the Sonderwunsch program actually represents. Back in 1978, Porsche recognized that its most passionate and wealthy clients wanted vehicles that simply couldn't be ordered out of a standard dealership catalog. To cater to these demands, Porsche created a dedicated special request department. Over the decades, that small department eventually evolved into what we know today as Porsche Exclusive Manufacture. While Exclusive Manufacture handles high-end optional equipment, specialized interior trims, and limited-run production cars for dealers worldwide, Porsche recently revived the original Sonderwunsch name to represent something far more radical. Modern Sonderwunsch isn't just an options list, it operates across three distinct tiers.
Tier 1 is Factory Commission, which lets customers order brand new production cars with specialized materials or bespoke trim right off the assembly line. Tier 2 is Factory Recommission, which takes older out-of-production Porsches and sends them back to the original factory for a total mechanical modernization and visual redesign. And then there's Tier 3, Factory One-Off. This is the holy grail. Tier 3 means Porsche hands you a team of their own engineers, aerodynamicists, and designers to build a single, unique vehicle that has never existed before and will never be built again. Until recently, Tier 3 was virtually the exclusive domain of the 911, but Porsche's Vice President of Individualization and Classic, Alexander Fabig, officially confirmed during Monterey Car Week that clients are demanding this same level of coach building for practical four-door daily drivers, and Porsche is saying yes. Think about what this transition really means for the luxury vehicle landscape. In major automotive hubs like Los Angeles, London, Dubai, or Riyadh, high-performance luxury SUVs and sports sedans are everywhere. A brand new Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT or a Panamera Turbo E Hybrid is an incredible machine, packing anywhere from 650 to over 770 horsepower straight out of the box. They are blazingly fast, masterfully engineered vehicles. However, in ultra-exclusive car collector circles, even a brand new $200,000 top-trim Cayenne can feel somewhat common when three others are parked in the exact same country club lot.
High net worth enthusiasts didn't just want a fast four-door, they wanted a four-door that felt like a piece of bespoke automotive art, a car that reflected their personal aesthetic down to the last stitch without having to sacrifice 4 seats and usable trunk space. Fabig confirmed that inquiries for four-door sports cars have been quietly rolling into Zuffenhausen for some time. While two-door sports cars still make up the majority of Sonderwunsch requests, Porsche is now actively executing bespoke builds across its four-door range. Whether a customer wants a completely custom carbon fiber body structure on a Panamera, or a completely remodded classic Cayenne SUV, or a tailor-made interior using materials never before certified for automotive use, Porsche is making it happen. If you're sitting there thinking, great, I'll just write Porsche a huge check and pick up my custom Cayenne next month, you're in for a massive reality check. Building a factory-certified one-off vehicle is not like dropping a car off to an aftermarket tuner. It is a grueling, multi-year engineering journey. Fabig revealed that a standard Sonderwunsch factory one-off project takes approximately 3 full years to complete from start to finish. The process is strictly structured into 2 major phases. Year 1 is dedicated entirely to the concept phase. During these first 12 months, no physical metal is cut and no carbon fiber is laid. Instead, Porsche engineers conduct rigorous computer-aided simulations, aerothermal testing, and structural safety feasibility studies. They draft complete CAD schematics for every single custom component and establish the financial and technical framework for the build. Years 2 and 3 make up the realization phase. This is where custom tooling is manufactured, prototype parts are machined, custom interiors are upholstered by master craftsmen, and physical components are built. And here's the kicker. Because it's a factory build carrying an official Porsche crest, the completed vehicle must pass global safety and emission homologation standards. That means custom lighting, modified bumpers, or new body panels have to be crash tested and airflow validated just like a mass production vehicle. For extremely complex builds, like the recent 911 GT2 RS flak bow slant nose, the development process can easily stretch to 3.5 years due to complex lighting and aerodynamic compliance testing. If you want a concrete example of what a 4-door Sonderwunsch project looks like in the real world, we don't have to guess. We can look at a recent factory recommission that set the automotive world ablaze. Porsche took a 2009 first-generation E1 Cayenne GTS owned by American collector Philip Seraphim and handed it over to the Sonderwunsch team for a complete resto mod transformation. The baseline car was already extremely special, a low-mileage 16-year-old SUV featuring a naturally aspirated 4.8-liter V8 mated to a rare factory 6-speed manual gearbox. The Sonderwunsch team completely stripped and restored the vehicle from the ground up. The body was resprayed in a custom paint-to-sample shade called Black Olive, offset by matte black exterior trim, underbody skid plates, and heavy-duty all-terrain tires. Porsche even retrofitted a functional factory tow bar because the owner intended to use this high-craftsmanship SUV to tow an Airstream trailer across the Rube Alkali. Inside, the cabin was reupholstered in full leather-to-sample English green leather. But the centerpiece was the custom fabric inserts, a retro olive and black Pasha pattern that covered the seats and even extended all the way into the inside of the glove box, trimmed with light-brushed aluminum door cards. This project proved that a 4-door Porsche doesn't just have to be a daily family hauler. It can be turned into a singular, breathtaking mechanical showcase with full factory backing and reliability. When you are spending hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars on a 3-year custom vehicle development process, you might assume that arguments between wealthy clients and factory designers break out constantly over taste and aesthetics. But Alexander Fabig shared a fascinating detail about the clients who enter the Sonderwunsch program. Porsche has rarely, if ever, had to reject a customer request due to poor taste or brand incompatibility. Why? Because Fabig describes these clients as Porsche scientists. These aren't casual buyers who just walked into a showroom on a whim. They are ultra-knowledgeable brand purists who know the exact chassis codes, motorsport history, and technical heritage of Zuffenhausen and Weissach. They bring detailed historical references to design meetings and want their custom builds to honor Porsche's design DNA. In fact, Fabig noted that because these buyers are often so respectful of Porsche's heritage, it is actually the Porsche engineers and designers who frequently have to push the clients to be more bold, more creative, and more radical with their requests. Interestingly, Fabig also revealed that when delays occur during a 3-year build, it's rarely due to mechanical engineering roadblocks, because every major step requires explicit sign-off from the client, who is effectively acting as the executive project manager of their own car. The build timeline often shifts around the busy travel schedules and business commitments of the owners. 3 years and pay massive engineering fees to Porsche when they could simply send a Cayenne or Panamera to an aftermarket tuner like Brabus or Mansory and get a wild body kit delivered in 6 months. The answer comes down to 3 critical factors: total system integration, global warranty backing, and long-term investment value. When an aftermarket tuner modifies a complex modern vehicle, they often cut corners. They install fiberglass or carbon body panels that haven't undergone wind tunnel testing, tap into sensitive electronics that disrupt active safety systems, and almost always void the manufacturer's powertrain warranty. Furthermore, aftermarket tuners routinely destroy the resale value of a car. Secondary markets view aftermarket modified luxury cars as unreliable risks that depreciate rapidly. A Porsche Sonderwunsch factory build is the exact opposite. When Porsche modifies a platform, their engineers recalibrate active suspension systems like Porsche Active Ride, retune electronic stability modules, and validate thermal management for extreme conditions. Most importantly, a Sonderwunsch 1-of-1 carries a full factory warranty, can be serviced at any authorized Porsche dealership worldwide, and is permanently recorded in the Porsche factory archives in Zuffenhausen. Instead of depreciating like a standard luxury car, an officially documented, factory-built 1-of-1 Porsche becomes an instant collector-grade asset that retains or even increases its value over time. The expansion of Porsche's Sonderwunsch division to 4-door vehicles isn't just a corporate update, it is a massive shift in how high-performance luxury cars are conceived and built. By opening up full factory coach building to models like the Cayenne and Panamera, Porsche is allowing owners to build the ultimate blend of extreme exclusivity and everyday usability. Now, I want to hear from all of you down in the comments. If you were handed the keys to the Porsche Sonderwunsch division today, given a blank check and told you could build any 1-of-1 4-door Porsche you wanted, what would you create? Would you build an off-road overland Cayenne with a manual transmission and classic interior fabrics like the Black Olive project? Or would you design an ultra-lightweight, carbon-bodied, track-focused Panamera wagon with a twin-turbo V8? Drop your dream specifications in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of bespoke automotive engineering, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.